Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to another Christmas DIY episode. Today we are going to explore the art of making Christmas ornaments from spindle. Spindles are versatile and affordable material that can be transformed into a beautiful holiday decoration. With a little creativity and some basic tools, you can create unique and eye-catching piece that will add a touch of charm to your home. So without further ado, let's get started. You will need a set of spindles. Start by cutting them in half, and then we would need some Christmas ornament in different shape and sizes, and we are going to put them together. There are already existing holes. Unfortunately, they are too small, so I brought my husband's drill set, and I'm going to grab a drill bit that is the same size as the ornament hole, and I drilled a hole. Add a little bit of glue, but if you don't have the tools or don't want to do, you can just hot glue them. So next I'm taking a paint. This is the color called Urban Night. It is kind of dark gray color, and also I'm going to use a red acrylic paint. After I did my first coat, I have realized that it's too light for me. So I'm adding a bit of black acrylic paint and mix them well. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Now I kind of like this color, and one coat will be enough. Next, I'm going to take Anne Sloan bags in color white, and I'm going to run through to cover the entire piece. And then I'm going to take a dry paper towel and wipe off all of the excess, and this is how it looks before and after. And you can see the white bags definitely brings out all of the details. And I'm going to do the same with red ones, but instead of white bags, I'm using dark bags. And to decorate is completely up to your imagination, so you can leave as it is. You can add nice velvet ribbon, or even use a jute twine to wrap it around. Just don't be afraid to play around with different materials, and you will definitely find your own style.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I hope that you enjoyed this little Christmas DIY project. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help to support my channel, and definitely leave me a comment below letting me know what you think, and I hope to see you in the next one.